Hey guys, it's Skylark here. Welcome to the next episode. Today I'm going to show you how to add widgets to iPhone. So let's start. First of all, in order to add widgets to iPhone, we need to get to the page on our iPhone where we want to add those widgets. Let's say it's this page, and then press and hold your thumb or your finger anywhere on the empty space of the screen. Once you do this, the app icons will start shaking, and in the left top corner you will see a button that says Edit. So click on it, and once you do this you can choose Add Widget, which will allow you to add different widgets. So here we got widget menu, and we can scroll to find whatever widget we would like to add. Let's say I want to add the weather, so I'm gonna press and hold on it, and then I can move it to whatever place I want on this screen. So let's say I want it to be here. This is the way we can add any widget that we have available on our phone, and once we add all of the widgets we want, we just simply tap on the empty space and we're out of the editing mode. So that's it for today. Let me know in the comments if you managed to add a widget and which widgets are your favorite, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching!